Hi friends, today we are going to learn about fusion. So let's go! Here we are in solid. Now we will drop down the create. Now here we can make box, cylinder, sphere, torus, coil and pipe. We will choose the box. Now we can see three panes. Now I will choose this one. Now I will choose the center. Now, yes, this is our box. I will press OK button. Now we will select the top and right click. Now create sketch. Now we will go to up, but this is vertical. We have problems with it, so these arrows show us the fold. Now I will choose the pan. Now here I will take the tags. Here too. It's very hard because of this sketch plate. Now I will move it inside. There, here we can see. Now we will do bold and italic. And then I will write my name. Divy. Divya. It's small, but I can make it bigger. Here, this is height. We will choose a number. I will choose 20. No. 30. Yeah, this one is good one. Now, here is a click this one and our sketch is finished. Now, let's go to home. Here our home span. Now, select this one. Now, this is entrance. Press it. Now it will go back. Now press the OK button. Now choose this and then right click and create sketch. Go to the front. Now here we are in sketches. Now here is air. Now I will point the 3-pointer. Now I will do yes, this point. Yeah, and I will make it curved for smooth. Now I will press the escape button. The escape button will escape from anything. Now we need swap, so press the S. Here it is catch shortcuts. Now press SW. Here it is sweep. Now select the one of the letter. Now in select. Now select the curved. Now you can control it. No. Or you can write. Yeah, this is nice. Our has done. Now we will save it. Here, right click. Now go to save as mesh. Here, now choose the STL. Now press the OK button. Now give it a name. I will give it Fusion 360. Now I will save it. Now I'm going in file adapter. Now this is my Fusion 360 saved. Just a minute. It's an app that sliced that. Now it is loading. Here, this is our drawing. Just I must it full. Yes. Now I will slice it. It takes to printer make it 4 hours and 22 minutes. Now we will make our second nameplate. So let's go to Fusion. I will delete it because it has saved in my PC now. Now press the L. It is short form for line. Now go to the front and press the plane. Now we can see a mark. Now we will write about 90. It's 90 centimeters. Now we will press the escape button. But it is too big, so we will press line button another time. And this time we will make a small line. Uh-oh. My bad. Now we will press it here. Now we will press the escape button. Now our sketch has been finished. Now here we choose extrude. Now we will go here. Now we will choose height. Now we will press the OK button. Just press the pen. Now we have make our square now. So let us make the text. Press the top and then right click and then create a sketch. Go to the top. Here we can see it. Now press the text here and then go like this. Choose your online. Here we will press the sheet. I will write my name. It's big. So let us make this one big. Now finish sketch. Now press the X to cancel it. It has chopped the upper one. Now press it. Yes, my bad. Done. Now we will go it forward. Now we will send it to the top. Press the extrude. First choose and then press it. It will come over. Now it has come out. Our nameplate has been done. So let us save it too. Here was mess. Now OK button. Now I write my name. Now I will save it. Oh, it has a problem. The US still are already exist. I want I want it is my important, so I make it another name. Anyways, I will write. Yes. 1 minute. Yes. Divya. Now. Oh, this one is also. I will just write 94262 in back. Now downloads here our come. Just a minute. It's a lot of time to load, isn't it? Yes, it has opened. Here is our. Now I will slice it. It will make 3 hours to make it by 3D printer. A long time, but it will made. Just kidding. So bye.